Good morning. Today is Monday, 12th January 2026. So come spend the day with me. So I'm walking to class and look who's back.
What's up?
So do you want to tell the story of how you were not here for 2 months? Batao.
I am just the most misunderstood person in the whole world.
Bichara,
and
bro,
that's
I
why I
felt
was not
so
here.
bad because he's like my one friend in class. So, some people, हमारे batch के, were trying to rag the juniors, and he just happened to be there. But look at this face. He can't do shit.
I can drag. Look at me. I can fucking drag.
Sure. But then, well, us din you weren't, right?
No, not
Yeah.
at all.
Wrong place, wrong time. I mean, it was in his room actually. वो गलत जगह पे भी नहीं था.
It was just my room, yaar. What could I
Yeah,
have
where
done?
else are you supposed to be? So he got caught up in all that, and so he got suspended for 2 months. But now he's back, and we're
I'm
back.
finally back. Finally.
We will see you in class. And now he's blown.
Did you know?
Okay, whenever there is a syrup it is raised.
दिख रही है मेरी नोजी के बाल.
तो आज इस शुभ दिन पर मैं मेधा को एज अ बर्थडे गिफ्ट लॉन्ड्री दे रहा हूँ.
नहीं, बट इसमें एक्चुअली ये है. वो तो रिकॉर्ड हुआ था ना.
हाँ.
वो मैं तब का डाल दूंगी.
हाँ.
इंसर्ट
तो-
क्लिप ऑफ मी ट्राइंग ऑन द जैकेट. अब फायर एक्सप्लोजन आएगा
या
और फिर नेक्स्ट क्लिप पे आ जाएगा.
Boom.
बट अब मैंने ये बोल दिया तो फिर से आएगा.
और अब
Oh my god! This is so cute! I love!
या
Okay, hug. I love. Thank you! Wait, try it on.
try it on.
This is so nice. Did Dishita?
Yeah, Dishita.
I know this is so Dishita, but
This is very
I
Dishita
love.
core.
Yeah.
This is very cool.
This is so cool.
Very funky. अब ये लो.
Where is this from, Sarojini?
Yeah.
So nice. No, I would be like, अरे
Yeah.
महंगी है क्या, इसको संभाल के रखना पड़ेगा. What is from
कुछ नहीं,
Sarojini?
अरे फेंक दे ऐसे. बस.
Yeah, so that is all that I did today. Not every day is like this. Like today was way more happening than most days because my friends came back today from their suspension thing. So I hung out with them a bit more. But normally I just come back and I sleep and I'm lonely as fuck all the time. This is not real. This is not like an average day in my life. This was one of the good days. That's why I decided to record also, so that I would have actual content to record and not just me coming back to my room and scrolling on my phone for 5 hours. So I did have an exam today, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. but I didn't record that because like I can't record during my exam obviously, and also it was so irrelevant to me. Matlab, it was like a class test sort of situation, matlab, not like a real test that matters. It does matter a little bit, I don't know, but I didn't know anything. I hadn't studied shit, and it was 65 marks and I attempted only 15 marks ka. So like to pass I need 30 se upar, at least 35 se upar, but मैंने attempt ही 15 marks का किया है. So I took a nap during the paper so I would have energy for dance practice. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye, good night.